What's happening, YouTube? I am Highway to Hill, and today I'm here to talk about these puncture repair kit. So this is called Spuncture, and this is by a company called TMC, which is the motorist company. This is the website. So their main product is Spuncture. This is the one, a portable puncture repair kit, and they also have some other products. There is this aux mount, which is basically for your fog lamps, auxiliary lights, and they also have some other products. There's this tent for your bike. There's a pump, and yeah, bunch of other stuff. Some puncture tools, rubber plugs, etc. All right. Now, let's take a step back and talk about puncture repair kits. So when I started touring, this is the first thing that I got. This is a tire repair solution. This is by Motul. And if you go to Amazon and if you search for these kind of products, I think there are a bunch of products, Indian and imported ones. Basically all you have to do, so there is some sort of solution here inside. All you have to do is just plug this in to your valve in your wheel, and then what will happen is this will go inside your tire. It will form a seal, and not just seal, it will also add a little bit of tire pressure as well. And what Motul claims is that you are good to ride for around 70 to 80 kilometers, which is more than enough to find a puncture repair shop. So this is what I have been carrying for quite some time. Honestly, I still haven't used it, and it's I guess it's probably even expired by now, but this is one of the first things that I got when I started touring. And after this I bought the traditional puncture repair kit, which you can get, I think, in any automobile store or any bike accessory shop. So it has these your piercer, it has a plugger, and it has plugs. There is a knife or a blade to cut the extra part of the plug. And there's also some in some kits you also get this solution. I don't have it with me right now, because right now I have replaced that whole kit with the Spuncture. But yeah, I'll just put the images on the screen so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. Now, I've been using that kit for quite some time. Now there are a couple of issues with that kit. Number one, it's hard to store that, right? So what I used to do, I used to just have a polythene bag or a cloth bag, and I used to dump all of these tools inside the bag. But what it did was, it kind of pierced the piercer, and the plugger kind of started making holes in my backpack, and even in my motorcycle luggage bag, the one which I have from Viaterra. It made a couple of holes, because again, these are sharp, right? And also what this piercer was doing, because it's sharp, it was scratching other other stuff that I carry in my luggage. So I started seeing ads of Spuncture on my Instagram, and I got really curious, and I wanted to check it out. They have a couple of demo videos as well, somebody fixing a puncture on their bike. So after seeing that, I decided to get this. So I think I got this for 1,500, if I'm not wrong. I think it's still selling for the same price. Let me check. Yeah, so it's 1,500. Yes, yeah, I think that's what I paid, right? So this is what I got. Look at this, so compact, right? Instead of carrying that kit where you have a separate piercer, a separate plugger, and then plug separately, there is a you will also have to carry a spanner. You will also have to carry these pliers separately, and then carry like a blade or a knife. So all of that is inside this. So one of the main reasons why I wanted to get Spuncture is because it's compact. I can store it anywhere. I can just keep it in my bag. You can even keep this in your pocket actually. And also there is no danger that the sharp objects like the piercer or the plugger are going to scratch or make holes in your bag, right? So let's open this. So you can open this here. So this is made up of aluminum. Let's see what you get. So you can open here, you can open from here as well. So this is what you get. This is your piercer, this is your plugger, there is this blade, and then obviously your plugs. So they have given 4 plugs, and there is also this spanner, right? So you can adjust this screw over here. So this kind of small spanner you have, and also this you can use to plug out a nail. But I still carry pliers because this is easier. Sometimes if you have a really bad nail which is pierced through, I don't know, with this is so small, trying to get the nail out with this might be challenge. So I still carry good old pliers. Yeah, so this is the body, and you see there's this texture here, right? You can open this one as well. So this is aluminum. It's quite sturdy, and it nicely grips your hand. You have this texture here, so it won't slip also, right? That's important. So then all you can do is, once you get the nail out, so you can just attach this piercer here, and then you can pierce it. I think they changed the design. If I see the latest one, the piercer looks slightly different. Yeah, I think they've changed the design now. Looks slightly different over here, but anyway, this is what I got. And then once you have done with the piercing, you can attach this plugger, and obviously you get plugs also. They don't provide a solution. I think some puncture repair kits, they also give you that paste sticky solution, but I think, see, this is already dipped in that solution, so I don't think that matters. Yeah, so you have your plugger, right? You can get a firm gift. You can do like this or like this. I think this is better, right in the middle of your fingers. Now with this kind of puncture repair kit, I mean, see, this is obviously for tubeless tires. Yeah, this won't work, I think, on a tube setup. So this is only for a tubeless setup. The problem, not a problem. I mean, with this kind of puncture repair kits, when you use this piercer and you expand that puncture, what will happen is obviously you will lose all the air, right? Your tire will become completely flat, and then the question is, how do you fill air? So yeah, there are CO2 canisters also available which you can carry, but I think, and there are some foot pumps and manual pumps. All these kind of pumps are available. So what I carry is this. Again, this is super compact, right? This is electric air compressor by me. So basically this whole thing is it has a battery which has a capacity, so 2000 mAh battery, and there is an air compressor. Super useful. So after you have done your plugging, the last step is to just add air, and I think this works really well for me. I've been using this for almost a year and a half. So every time I'm touring on my bike or on my car, I always carry this. So if you are a tourer, I think you should definitely look at this. I also have a video on this one on my channel, so if you're interested, you can go check it out. Works very well. Yeah, so this is what I carry now. So this is my plan A, which is the Spuncture repair kit, and I still carry this. I don't know why I still carry this. Probably expired as well, but yeah, this is just a backup for my main puncture repair kit. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You can check these guys out. They are on Instagram as well. Once again, themotoristcompany.com. This is their website, and I think I'm following them on Insta as well. The Motorist Company. Yeah, this is their page, guys. So yeah, check them out. There's some demo video as well somewhere, can't find it here, but yeah, let me know what you guys use. If you are a tourer, what is your puncture repair kit? How does it look like? Do you have something different apart from all this stuff? Do let me know in the comment section. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you soon in the next video. Until then, I am Highway to Hell. You ride safe. Ciao.